With all the anticipation of the upcoming solar eclipse happening on Monday, August 21st, we want to talk about what causes a solar eclipse. It's a very, very rare event that happens, and the last time we had this happen in North America was 1984, and the last time we had a coast-to-coast eclipse was 99 years ago. Now, what's happening is the Earth is orbiting around the Sun, and the Moon orbits around the Earth, and occasionally what will happen is the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon will get into a configuration where the Moon is going to pass between the Sun and the Earth, and it'll cast a shadow on the Earth's surface. Now, there are two parts to this shadow. The first one is called the penumbra, which is the partial shadow that is cast on the Earth's surface, but also we have another part of the shadow, and this is the umbra. And this is the full shadow, and it all depends on exactly how far away the Moon is in relation to the Sun and the Earth on how much you will see of that full shadow. In this case, on August 21st, this shadow is going to first be cast in the Pacific Ocean and then cross the United States, starting in Oregon all the way across into the Mid-Atlantic down off the southeast coast. Now, it'll start in Oregon in around 10 o'clock in the morning, around 20 after the hour, the local time, and you can see where we have this darker shade. That's where the total eclipse is going to occur. That's where the Earth, or the Moon rather, is going to fully eclipse the Sun. On either side of that, where you're seeing this gray area, that's where 90% of the Sun or more is going to be obscured by the Moon. That shadow will start to move down through the Plain States into Kansas City around 1 o'clock in the afternoon local time, and eventually this will move down through the Tennessee Valley and then off the South Carolina coast around Charleston. Totality will occur around 2:47 in the afternoon. As far as we're concerned here in southeast North Carolina around Wilmington, the solar eclipse will start at 1:19 in the afternoon. Totality will occur at 2:48, or near totality, 97% totality, and the eclipse will end at 4:09. So here are the safe viewing tips here to view this solar eclipse. Certainly you never want to use regular sunglasses, and you never want to look directly at the sun. That's very dangerous. What you want to have are these special glasses here, these special solar glasses that will block out the damaging rays, and they have to be approved by the ISO. So make sure you have approved glasses to be viewing this eclipse, and you can also view this eclipse using the indirect method by projecting the sun's image with a pinhole on a piece of paper. All right, so what will you see? Well, the eclipse will start at 1:20, about 1:20 in the afternoon, and then the Moon will pass between the Sun and the Earth, and we're actually expecting to be able to see the stars here in Wilmington as the totality occurs at 2:48 in the afternoon. And then we'll start to see the Moon begin to pass off to the left of the Sun, and that will mean that we'll start to see daylight once again. So this is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime event for a lot of folks out there, so make sure if you're going to view it safely.